Hello Geminis and welcome to your weekly love reading. So this reading is going to be from the 20th till the 26th of January and this is going to be a general reading. ये collective reading है. So not every message is for you and not every message will resonate to your story. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. And if you had a calling to click on this video, then these messages are for you. So let's see messages for the sign of Gemini. Let's see messages for the sign of Gemini. Let's see messages for the sign of Gemini. Okay. So we have pride, then we have doubt, then we have patience and we have judgment. So आप किसी ऐसे relationship में हैं या किसी ऐसे person को आप mind में रख के ये reading देख रहे हैं who is actually in very much in their they are very proud, okay, and they are in that energy of prideness and ये कोई डिसीजन लेना चाहते हैं. आप चाहते हैं कि ये कोई डिसीजन लें सारे डाउट्स को छोड़ के सारे लाइक विशी वॉशी एनर्जी को छोड़ के हॉट एंड कोल्ड एनर्जी को छोड़ के ये आपसे रिलेटेड इस कनेक्शन से रिलेटेड कोई डिसीजन लें, ये करेज गैदर करें. लेकिन लाइक आई डोंट सी देम गैदरिंग दैट करेज राइट नाउ बिकॉज I see that they have secluded themselves from the environment and they like to be lonely at this time. और इन्होंने आपके मन में भी बहुत सारे डाउट्स क्रिएट कर दिए हैं by not giving you that what you deserve, by not giving you that what you actually want from them. However, I see the universe is guiding you to have patience, like क्योंकि the universe is guiding to have patience because कोई decision आपके regarding लिया जाएगा with this judgment card. Let's see messages for the sign of Gemini. Let's see messages for the sign of Gemini from the 20th till the 26th of January weekly love reading. Let's see messages for the sign of Gemini. Let's see messages for the sign of Gemini. Yeah, then we have doubt and confusion. So definitely in person ने आपके mind में बहुत ज़्यादा कोई confusion create की है. However, with your sixth sense, with your intuitive powers, you're thinking about that this person should give you the emotional fulfillment and completion, okay, and you're waiting for the right time. You have actually left everything into the hands of the divine and God, and you should, okay, you should, because like final फैसला अब आपके लिए कोई आएगा इनकी तरफ से. Definitely this person will take some decision regarding you and this connection. Might be possible that this person is playing tricks right now. They are trying to be tricky because they know that अगर वो आपको चेज़ नहीं करेंगे तो आप उन्हें चेज़ करेंगे. बट however the universe is guiding you to have patience because I see something good will be unfolding in your favor. Okay, let's see. Let's see messages for the sign of Gemini. Let's see messages for the sign of Gemini. Yes, you are in a runner-chaser dynamic with this person. Let's see messages for the sign of Gemini. Okay. So we have the Knight of Swords. So you were the one probably who was chasing this person and this person was running away from you and this connection. This person, we have the Knight of Swords, we have the Queen of Swords, we have King of Wands and we have Five of Swords. I also see that there is a strong presence of a third party between the two of you with the King of Wands. Either this is a male or female from your side, from their side, but somebody is trying to interfere between the two of you and this person cutted you off from their life and this person created confusion in your mind. Five of Swords है तो this person इन्होंने आपको बैक स्टैप किया. They had a wishy-washy energy, very hot and cold, very in and out. However, I also see that bottom of the deck we have the Sun, we have the Ace of Pentacles and we have the Page of Pentacles. I see new beginnings coming in. I see happiness coming your way. मुझे अभी जब मैं एनर्जी ये पिक कर रही हूँ वो यही है कि आपने बहुत ज़्यादा पेन उठाया है इस पूरी सिचुएशन में। यू वर द वन हु वाज आपने बहुत ज़्यादा पेन उठाया है, बहुत ज़्यादा सफरिंग उठाई है। आप कनेक्शन में फेथफुल थे, लेकिन ये पर्सन आपके साथ फेथफुल नहीं थे। और you see your entire happiness and joy with this person, with this sun card and with the ace of pentacles. You want a new beginning in love with them, and with the page of pentacles you are also expecting hoping to have a communication with this person. And I see in the long run that this negative energy will move away from you and happiness, joy, expansion will come your way. बिकॉज अभी तक तो आपकी एनर्जी में बहुत ज़्यादा there is wishy-washiness, hot and coldness, and this person is very rude and arrogant. But however, in the future I see that things will be unfolding in your favor, and there will be new beginnings coming your way, and there will be offerings coming your way. So आपकी तरफ इनकी तरफ से कोई आपके पास इनकी तरफ से कोई डेफिनेटली ऑफर आ सकती है. You could be dealing with another Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and then we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Also Leo की energy strong है. Okay, show me this person's feelings and energy towards the Geminis. Show me this person's feelings and energy towards the Geminis. Four of Wands, then we have the Six of Swords. You could be in a long distance connection with this person. Then we have the Ten of Pentacles and with the Hierophant. Three cards are showing कि ये person आपको एक relationship, एक commitment offer देना चाहते हैं. We have Four of Wands, we have Ten of Pentacles, the Hierophant. You could be dealing with the Taurus, again Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, ये पर्सन आपको एक दे बिलोंग टू अ वेरी ट्रेडिशनल फैमिली जहाँ पे ट्रेडिशंस बहुत ज़्यादा फॉलो होते हैं. बॉटम ऑफ द डेक वी हैव क्वीन ऑफ वैंड्स, टेम्परेस एंड सिक्स ऑफ कप्स. क्योंकि सिक्स ऑफ कप्स है तो मैं सोच रही थी कि अभी तक आपकी एनर्जी में आपके रीडिंग में कोई कप्स नहीं आए, but we have Six of Cups, and that's a really good card that somebody from the past is coming back to reunite, to reignite this connection with you. And with the Temperance, they really want to balance out the things. And with the Queen of Wands, this person will take decision regarding this third party. However, we have Six of Swords, so I see that you two are not from the same cities, same countries, or are not from same states. But however, मैं इन पर्सन की तरफ से आपकी तरफ कोई रिलेशनशिप ऑफर आते हुए देख रही हूँ. एंड आई ऑल्सो सी दैट आप दोनों के बीच में ये जो डिस्टेंस है, आई कैन फील दैट डिस्टेंस. दिस इज़ नॉट ओनली physical distance but also lots of emotional gap. And this gap, इस gap को create करने में इनका अपना mindset भी involved है, लेकिन इस gap को create करने में कोई third party का भी बहुत strong हाथ है. ठीक है, show me Gemini feelings towards this person. Show me Gemini's feelings towards this person. Show me Gemini's feelings towards this person. We have King of Swords. Then we have the Knight of Pentacles. Then we have the Knight of Cups. And we have the Five of Cups. Then we have the Two of Swords, Nine of Wands, Seven of Cups. In the past, this person was keeping their options open. In the past, they were really wishy-washy, very hot and cold, very in and out. They were not a reliable person in the past, and इन्होंने definitely healthy boundaries भी maintain की आपसे ताकि आप इनको cross ना कर सकें. और इन्होंने आपके mind में बहुत ज़्यादा confusion और doubts create किए, जैसे कि reading के start में भी हमें बताया गया था. लेकिन Five of Cups है तो ये person अब they are regretting over the decisions that they made. और कुछ ना कुछ आपने ऐसा किया है क्योंकि ये आपकी एनर्जी, तो कुछ ना कुछ आपने ऐसा किया है, बिकॉज आपने इन्हें चेज़ नहीं किया, बिकॉज आपने इनको वो अटेंशन नहीं दी कि चाह रहे थे कि जैसे नो कॉन्टेक्ट सिचुएशन में भी आपकी तरफ से इनको अटेंशन आए, वो आपने दी नहीं, और आपने खुद से पहल करके अपोलोजाइज़ भी नहीं किया. So definitely this person is thinking about bringing that love offer and that genuine love offer and that apology to you. So I see that this person is slowly but surely coming towards you. Show me the outcome of the situation. Show me the outcome. Show me the outcome of the situation. Show me the outcome of the situation. Show me the outcome of the situation. Again we have the Six of Cups. Six of Cups in the outcome shows that this person has deep emotions and feelings for you, and this person seriously wants to reconcile with you. However, Four of Pentacles, you are not ready to take the first step and you are not ready to take the initiative. ये पर्सन आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पैशन भी फील करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्शन भी फील करते हैं. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, Ace of Wands, Ten of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune, and bottom of the deck Two of Cups, then we have the Two of Swords, then we have the Nine of Wands. 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months are very important for you. So this person will be giving you an offer of reconciliation, an offer of love and peace, क्योंकि with the Ace of Wands ये person आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा passionate feel करते हैं. Four of Pentacles, you are holding back, you are not taking the first action, and that's right, because this person should come forward and they should take the first action and action, और इनको आपको कहना चाहिए कि that let's reconcile. और Wheel of Fortune है, तो definitely ये सब कुछ change करना चाहते हैं, and they want to change everything and they want to start everything from the scratch. Two of Cups, Two of Swords, Nine of Wands. They are ready to drop down their guards because Two of Cups है, Six of Cups है, तो definitely they feel a soulmate twin flame connection towards you, a higher level soulmate connection for you. They have deep feelings and emotions than they are letting on. So this person will be bringing a love offer towards you. This person is seriously thinking about bringing a genuine offer towards you, and they want a passionate new beginning in love with you with this Ace of Wands. और Six of Cups है और Two of Cups है, तो डेफिनेटली इस बात में आपको शक नहीं है कि ये इन पर्सन के दिल में आपके लिए फीलिंग्स हैं, और ये सब कुछ चेंज करके एक नए सिरे से आपके साथ एक नई शुरुआत चाहते हैं विद द Ace of Wands. ओके, सो ये पर्सन आपको डेफिनेटली इन पर्सन की तरफ से आप कम्युनिकेशन एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, और this person will be bringing you an apology and a love offer. So thank you so much, Geminis. That's all I have for you. Please hit like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next. Till then, take care and bye.